Hello guys, what's up? It's me Mehdi Shakil and you are watching my YouTube channel SS Tech Tutorial. Do you know about BinGoo in Kali Linux? BinGoo is tool for web vulnerability assessment. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install BinGoo in Kali Linux 2060.1. So let's start. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe my YouTube channel SS Tech Tutorials and stay connected with my channel. Open up your terminal. You have to install Linux and curl before running BinGoo. Here is the commands. Type this first command, apt-get install Linux, then hit enter. I already get installed all of this. Then type this command, install card, apt-get install card. Okay. Then download the BinGoo file. You will get this command on description. Now it's cloning BinGoo files. Okay. Now let's check. Here it is. Type this command, change your directory to BinGoo folder. Then hit enter. Here is the execute file. Now run this. Here it is. So that's all for today. In my next videos I am going to show you how to use it. So stay with my channel. Do subscribe. Do subscribe my YouTube channel SS Tech Tutorial and stay connected with my channel. Thanks for your watching.